Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. Madam Glam sent me a few gel polishes from their chapter 9 Yeah Baby collection. So these are the three colors they sent, which are Shagadelic, which is a purple transparent gel polish, Do You Copy, which is a gray transparent gel polish, and Oh Behave, a brown transparent gel polish. So I'm going to swatch the gel polishes on my swatch sticks. These are transparent, so they cannot necessarily reach full opacity. However, I did 3 layers just to get a better opacity. It's still jelly-like, and they are so pretty as well. There's not much of a design you can do with these, but I tried to do something that I would like. The colors were a bit dark. I would have liked more of the brighter colors, but it's fall, so these colors complement the season. The jelly gel polishes are really pretty, and if you're interested in purchasing these or any other gel polishes from Madam Glam, you can use my code cheraelsymone30, all caps, to get 30% off. All the information will be in the description below with a link. Now, as usual, I'm doing this design on press-on nails, so I started with the Madam Glam base coat on all of the nails and I cured for 30 seconds. I filed the nail tips off camera. So the reason I like doing press-on nails is because I'm getting a lot of gel polishes lately and I do not like putting my hand in the lamp. It's necessary for the nail design, but my personal preference is I would rather not. So I try to eliminate the amount of time I have to put my hand in the lamp. Also, when I do polygel nails, I apply sunscreen to my hand. I've spoken about that before, but anyway, so the reason I do press on nails is so that I can get really nice nail designs without having to put my hand in the lamp to achieve it. So I was winging this nail design. I had no idea what I was going to do with these colors, so I started on the pinky nail with the gray gel polish. Then I moved on to the ring nail with the purple gel polish. Still had no clue what exactly I was trying to do, but the best nail designs are sometimes a surprise. Then I applied the gray gel polish to the index nail and I cured them for 30 seconds. Now I applied the top coat to the pinky nail and then I placed some iridescent glitter on the pinky nail, ensuring that the glitter is laid flat so that the nail wouldn't be textured. So I thought I was filming my marble nail, but I wasn't. I will be doing another layer so you will be able to see what I did. So I cured the first layer. Now on the second layer I applied base coat and then placed some of the gray gel polish and some of the purple gel polish. Then I'm using my dotting tool to swirl the colors together and then I cured for 30 seconds. I did the same for my thumbnail as well. So I'm using this silicone mold that I got from Amazon. This was my first time using it, so I was not sure if I should apply base coat first and then the color or not. So I decided to apply the base coat and then the purple gel polish, and then I cured for 30 seconds. I don't think it's really necessary to apply base coat. I don't know why I applied it in the first place, but it didn't do anything to the silicone mold image, well, the beer. So now while the silicone beer is curing in the lamp, I'm going to be top coating the nails, then I cured for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be doing another silicone beer, and this time I'm using the grey gel polish. Now I just placed them on the nails just to see how they look. Next, I'm using my Macart clear polygel to stick them on my nails. So I applied a tiny bead of polygel to the nail, and then I stuck them on. And before curing, I just top coated the nails again and then cured for 30 seconds. So these are what the press-on nails look like. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I also placed them on off camera for you all to see how they look on my hand. So these colors from the chapter 9 Year Baby collection are really pretty, and the jelly-like look is really cool too. I like how this nail set came out, so thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below, Bye guys.